Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from Team RPS 2.0.
Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to show how to run two operating systems at the same time. We are using Oracle Virtualbox for this. This is the Oracle Virtualbox. Now let's click to the new. Now give the name of the operating system. We are using Kali Linux 64-bit. Now here change the version of the operating system. We have to allocate some RAM for the operating system. Remember, don't allocate more than 50% of your original RAM. Now we have to create a virtual disk. A virtual disk of approximate 4 GB. Now move to the settings. Here is the general information of our operating system. This is the bootloader option. Here we have to add the ISO file of our operating system. This is the ISO file of Kali Linux 64-bit. Now delete this empty field. Now let's add a USB driver. You can see the general information of our operating system in the right side of the Oracle Virtualbox. Now let's run it. We are going to install it live. Here it is uploading the BIOS. You can see all the necessary files are being installed on the Virtualbox. Setup will take some time to complete. It will take some time to load the graphical user interface. Now you can see the Linux is perfectly installed. And here we are running the Linux on the Virtualbox and the Windows is running in the background. Thus you can use both the features of Windows and Linux at the same time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and press the bell icon.